I've been coming to Dr. Gitlin for 30 years. I can't even tell you, I don't remember where I met them or how I met them, but it's the best thing that ever happened to me. This is like such a great office to come to. It is so clean. There's not a scrap of dust on the floor, and every time a patient gets out of the room, they're in there again cleaning everything. And it's not just since COVID, it's been forever.
Mildred has been coming to Gitlin Dental Group for over 30 years, and she's literally watched me grow up in front of her eyes. You could tell that she's coming into the office because she's sitting in the waiting room with a huge smile on her face. She's always excited to see us, and we are even more excited to see her.
My favorite thing about Dr. Ari is that he's always so complimentary. He's just like a regular person. You could talk to him like he was not a dentist or a doctor. He's just a regular guy. I lost a few people in my life since I've been a patient, and I recently lost my husband a few months ago, and they treat me so well that when I come in here, I'm never sad, I'm always smiling. One time I had to go to another office to have a tooth pulled, and I felt strange in the office. I didn't feel comfortable at all, and I couldn't wait to come back to Dr. Gitlin and show him, here I am, I'm ready for the next step. I recommend this dental group to everybody I come across who asks for, to get a dentist. And I tell you, it's the best thing that I ever did coming here, and they would be happy too.